Hello everyone and welcome to the FinLearn Academy. So in this week we have seen a very condensed movement in the range of 10,700 to maximum 10,850. So within the 150 point range, the Nifty has spanned the entire range. So it is a kind of the stability into the price momentum that we have seen. So is it a sign that means after having a very strong momentum on the high side, the bulls are exhausted and they are not able to push the prices on the high side? No, it will be the premature to say so. On the alternate way, it can be that means as of now the prices are getting into the consolidation patch and maybe they give a breakout on the high side. So up to what extent the bias remains a positive or sideways to positive. So as far as the basic structure is not getting damaged, so up to that point, the prior market is likely to be stay into the sideways to the positive bias. So what is that level where up to that extent we remains a positive? Let's say that this is what a 10,600 level. So 10,600 level is the base of this consolidation patch plus the gap up opening that has happened over there. So considering this value 10,600, we are seeing a sideways to the positive bias on the high side. If the prices are breaching the 10,850 level in a coming week and started to move up on the high side, so what can be the next best potential resistance points? So this time let me convert the candlesticks charts to the line chart because line chart also gives its proper utility over there. So let me say that means what are the immediate resistance point that I had where I can maximum cover the maximum touch points. So let's say this is what the first point that I'm having. So into past certain kind of the consolidation pairs has happened around this level. So this is the first level which comes around 10,950 around. If I have to look for the next best resistance point, so let's say this is a kind of the turning points that I'm having. So if I plot my horizontal line at the top of it, so this is the line means 11,100 around where I am having the good amount of the turning points. Means turning point has happened from this around this level, the role reversal has happened from this, the upper band of consolidation patch, retest and bounce back. So this can be the next best potential resistance on the high side. The first one is around 10,950 and the next best is around 11,100. So this is the scenario on the higher side. But let's say in a coming week, if the market is coming down, or let's say on the Monday, if you are seeing the certain gap up opening and the prices are coming down, so it will be the negative development and sustainability below the 10,600 level will call for the further declining momentum. So over here on the downside, the potential support bands lies around this point means 10,300 to 10,200 and all the way next best support point that we have around this patch or the very crucial levels that we are able to see is around this level 9,700 to 9,500. So this can be the next best potential levels on the high side. But speaking in the current context, the view remains a sideways to the positive because till now we haven't seen any kind of reversal signs. Secondly, if today I take you to a intraday time frame where we were discussing about our old concept, the stages of the trend, fine. So as of now, the stages of the trend is concerned on the intraday time frame. So we can see that means there are a kind of accumulation has happened over there. This is what a stage one we can say. There afterwards the upside momentum has happened over there. So this is what a stage two rise, and there afterwards we are having the stage three, the distribution patch. But the distribution patch get confirms once the prices are moving below the lower band of the consolidation patch. It is not mandatory that means after the stage 3 the stage 4 comes which is on the falling side. It may happen that means price may move above this level, so the stage 3 will relabel it as an stage 1. So this is one more open possibilities there. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.